It's really easy to separate berries from their leaf with the help of a simple straw. Make an incision all the way around the surface of a potato widthwise. Boil it, then wash with cold water. Now you can easily remove the peel with your hands. Use a spoon to separate peel from an orange without getting juice all over yourself. The easiest way to peel mango is to use an ordinary glass. This method works with kiwi fruit as well. You can easily peel an avocado with the help of a regular spoon. Grip the base of a banana peel and pull, and you'll be able to open it just as you would with a bag of potato chips. Put some garlic in a bowl, cover the bowl and shake it thoroughly. Cut off the top part of the pepper and make incisions lengthwise to the white partitions. Now just separate it into parts. To peel a boiled egg, remove the eggshell from the top and bottom, then simply blow.